So this is the first installation, which is collider. There are around 300 lights, which you could see here, focus lights focusing towards the sky, and the dark or elementary particles, the light interacts with them. That is the particles eliminated from cosmic, those are cosmic rays, and they generate waves or light streams. That is about collider into the sky. And second one is translation stream, which is with the motion of your walking path or walking steps. The poems from various Arabic poets has been
Which
displayed
light
with the steps
passes
dynamically with motion sensors.
through
So that is about these two installations. Let us go forward and see the second, third and fourth installation. The third one is about collating an image with different kind of facial motions or facial expressions. It collates into a single image, and that is you can see on the screen. And fourth one is a pulse island. When you place your left palm behind the sensor, so it senses your heartbeat, and with the heartbeat the lights, around 4,000 lights are placed, and these lights will have glow, or these lights will flicker based on the heart sounds or heartbeat of the person whose hand is placed under the sensor. So this is about the fourth installation. The fifth installation is about the thermal drift, which is from the heat generated from the bodies or vegetation around, or from the plants around. An image is created. So the movement of the image is due to the heat particles and not but the light. So due to the heat around us, heat energy around us, a thermal drift or thermal image is thermal energy when the particular object starts moving. That is about fifth. And sixth is dune ringers. It's about with the sound created by us, there is a mic with which sound can be created, and those sound waves are converted into the light energy, and they come passing through the dune with noise. So it is dune ringers, sound and light waves and energy is being displayed here. Eighth is voice basin. So there is an intercom where we can speak, and the noise is translated into light, and it echoes back from the basin with lots of spotlights visible onto the lake bed. So this is the voice converted and gets saved in the reservoir, sound reservoir, and those waves keep coming generated again and again until a new speaker comes in and speaks. So that is about voice basin. And next is translation link. So there are three boards which are illuminated by the lights, and there is a voice where we can translate the Arabic or whatever language. Based on the translations, the boards are lit up. And third one is shadow tuner. The shadow tuner is about a globe is illuminated by the shadows with an image sensor. 10th one is sandbox, where 20 projectors are placed, powerful projectors which could sense the people hands or people on the arena, and those projections are displayed onto the sand base down. So this is powerful projectors that display as a shadows on the sand dune. And there is a final addition, last one, Lucifer on shore, where the waves are projected with different colors, green, blue, purple colors, and it is a symphony of light, sound and waves. So it's a beautiful projection with combination of light and melody music and the waves that come from the sea.
we sat no while coming. Now we will sit on top.
That's the end of the story on LULU Island. So now we are back on the boat again, and to reach the place where we have started our journey. And that's how we end this trip to Lulu Island. Lulu means, by the way, it is pearl, it seems, in Arabic. And so we have completed the tour of Lulu Island for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to deepsweb. Bye bye. Hope you have enjoyed.